butting it. Are you mad? No, I'm butting it. Welcome to the Bleeps. Bleep. Bleep. I'm Lisa Bleep.
I'm Chelsea Bleep.
That's right. And if you're new to our channel, we normally do a lot of challenge topics about beauty, so stay tuned. But in today's video, what we're doing, Chelsea?
Basically, it's a Christmas season, honey.
That's right.
So we're gonna make some like gingerbread houses. We thought it would be cool, but we're doing this with a little twist. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make these. We're gonna answer questions like Christmas trivia questions, just to see how much we know about the Christmas season. But there's a twist on top of a twist. Okay, we've got the electric shock pads. This thing right here. This thing right here. We've got electric shock pads, yeah, and we're gonna see basically if you don't answer the question right or wrong, who's gonna get shocked.
Oh my gosh.
And who can make the best gingerbread house while we're doing all this?
Under like 3 minutes, basically.
3 minutes. Okay.
I'm gonna show you what it is.
1 second. Let me just, because my camera's not even on, you know.
I'm mad.
I know. It's fine, because this is what we need it on for. Hi guys, technical difficulties. So what is this?
This is the Easy Home Tense Pain Relief device, but it's not really doing that today, you know?
I'm actually shocked.
This is the box. It's so cute.
Okay.
So you've got some leaflets, obviously health and safety, whatever.
This is direction.
In the bin.
You better use it. No.
This, if you've seen this, you might have seen this before. People use it to stimulate pregnancy cramps. So what happens? You stick these on the body, and then connect to this. I'm assuming, and then this controls the levels. So I can repeat.
No, don't be repeating anything.
That's a good one. If you have power intensity, whoop, it's gonna be high, bitch. I won't. Okay, do you know what? We're gonna do a tester.
What the heck? Isn't it going in?
I don't think so.
Many months later.
Try this at home, kids.
I'm scared.
Cause
my belly's fat. Listen, guys, I'm trying to do gym, man.
Ooh, she's so fat like a doctor.
Oh my god, nah, for real.
Wait.
I'm shook. Mate, it's actually taking off my belly hair.
I'm gonna take it off, yeah, it's gonna be so funny. Okay, cool.
Wait. I need 2 seconds. Hold on. A minute. Okay, wait.
I'm just putting it up. I'm just putting it up down to 2 first.
Okay,
And
wait.
I'm not too sure what this one is.
Please.
It's okay, boo boo. Don't worry, I got
Is it on?
Yeah.
I'm feeling something. Wait.
I haven't done anything.
I'm feeling something.
What was off? Do you want me to press it now to see?
Okay, but don't start high. Just.
I'm on 2.
Okay.
So let me
I can feel. It feels like.
I'm gonna try massage. Can you feel anything?
No. What? Yeah, it's weird though. It don't
Can you
feel
feel
like
it?
pain. It don't feel like pain.
Okay, I'm gonna try beat. Can you feel
Oh.
that? Can you feel that one?
Yeah. Oh.
Swear down.
No, it feels weird. It feels like.
need. What does it need? Which one do you prefer? There's 3 different ones.
A beat. Is beat 1? Bleep.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me just try speed. Is that okay?
Okay.
Up one. Is it gone faster?
Yeah. I can feel it. It feels weird.
Do you want to go up one to see if you can hack it?
Yeah. Go.
Are you
Okay, go up slowly.
Okay, go up slowly. Okay, I'm gonna.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Quickly, to see quickly.
Okay, go to 10.
Is this fine, isn't it?
Is it 10?
Yeah. Okay, try beat. No?
Ooh. No, it's alright, you know. house. I could have said man. Oh my god, it's not gingerbread man, it's gingerbread
House.
neutral, non-binary person.
It's a house.
Okay. Okay, wait, how does this house even work? I've never seen a house look like this before, you know.
Where's your mother?
Where's the picture of what it's supposed to
No,
look
you can't look anymore. It's too late. Oh yeah, close your eyes.
Icing. Put in the icing bag. Where did I put the bag and pipe in? The pipe there. Pipe it up. Pipe it up.
Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Oh, it smells so good, guys.
How are we gonna do this?
Is it gonna come out as a piping thing?
Yeah. We're gonna have to squeeze it hard. We need like
Still slow though.
No, but don't worry, I'm pushing it down to the end.
Okay.
You see? Ooh!
This should be counted as your minutes, you know.
No, this shouldn't be counted because we're gonna have to prepare yours as well. To be honest, we'll prepare yours off camera because this is very long.
Okay.
Oh, and off the bread!
And
Where's
look
the
underneath.
house? You still got to look.
Underneath the white here.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna make mine.
Yep.
I'm shook.
Ooh.
Okay, how long are you giving me?
I think 3 minutes is too long, you know.
No, you need to shut the hell up, babe.
It
I don't even
is.
know how this contraction works.
It's actually too long.
It's not. It's just right.
I think we should give her
Yeah.
1 minute 30 seconds.
No, I think 3 minutes.
2 minutes.
3 weeks later.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I do
Okay,
this?
get my questions ready.
How does this work?
Okay, question 1. What Christmas beverage is known as milk punch?
The fuck? Eggnog. Hey, B. I'm good at this game. Okay. Oh, shh.
What animated 2004 film is about a train that carries kids to the North Pole on Christmas?
Polar Express.
Why are you so good at this game?
I love
In
It's
Charles
not-
Dickens' A Christmas Carol, what is Mr. Scrooge? Oh, that's really easy. You won't give me that one.
Yeah, I don't even know that one.
Okay, cool.
No.
Okay.
You've missed your chance. B.
I can come back to it.
Okay, wait,
Okay,
I think I'm
I'm
figuring
gonna-
out how it works now. It must be like this, no? Oh my god, how does this contraption work? Oh my god. No, this must be at the bottom. Oh, I see, wait.
Okay, in the early 1800s, the first gingerbread house was reportedly inspired by what famous fairy tale?
Shrek. It's pulsating between the two. No, I'm actually gonna shit my pants. No, for real.
Oh
What the fuck is that?
I have to turn it off.
Oh my god, no.
In the song Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer, what incriminating evidence was
Shut
found?
the fuck up.
Grandma
You?
back.
It was a reindeer. No, I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready. No, it's actually fucking pulsating.
How do you even stop this? I don't even know.
I'm not playing this with you again. Oh my gosh. No, for real. I don't even know how this. What is this gingerbread house supposed to look like? I'm getting sick of this game. No. For real.
In the Muppet Christmas Carol, who plays Scrooge? Hint, it wasn't a Muppet.
The Muppet. What?
In the Muppet Christmas Carol, who plays Scrooge? Hint, it wasn't a Muppet.
Oh fuck! I don't know, but no, you have to go easy on me this time. I can't do. Woo! No, why does it do that? It keeps attacking me. No, for real. Oh my god. Woo!
Legend, what holiday goodies were shaped to resemble a shepherd's staff as a way to remind children of the shepherd?
Oh, candy cane,
Yep.
bitch.
In the movie A Christmas Story, what was the name of the neighbours whose dog?
Oh my god! Oh my goodness, this is the question.
Sorry, I got carried away. movie A Christmas Story, what was the name of the next door neighbours whose dogs ate the Christmas turkey?
Genghis! I don't know. Ooh, I don't know! Okay. Shit. Ooh! No! This was too much. Oh my god. No, this is actually destroying my freaking gingerbread house. My armpits are sweating.
Oh, my time's going, you know.
Can I get 5 minutes?
No. You got 1 minute 30 seconds left.
Shut
What is
the
happening to
hell
your
up.
thing?
Listen,
What is that?
I don't think you understand the decor that's going on here.
I'm confused.
Listen, do I know? Do you know? Do we know what's going on? I'm trying to figure out how. Listen.
Okay, cool. In the TV special, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, what was the 3 words that best describe the Grinch?
Mean, grumpy old man.
Yeah, you got the right answer.
Cause I love the Grinch. I am the Grinch. Woo! No, why am I getting shocked for something that I ain't done?
You didn't get
No,
it
but
right.
I got it
Your
right.
answer was wrong. That's why I lied to you.
No.
Yeah.
It was right.
No, it's called It Stink, Stank, Stonk.
It was a mean, grumpy old man. It's the same thing, girl.
Okay, next one.
Listen, this is.
What well-known Christmas carol became the first song ever broadcast from space in 1965?
Wait, say the question again.
What well-known Christmas carol became the first ever song ever broadcast from space in 1956?
Jingle bells.
Yeah, you're right. You're actually right.
Yes,
According to the
hallelujah.
folklore of Austria and other countries, what horned figure punishes naughty children at Christmas time?
What horned figure?
Yeah.
The Baphomet.
Ooh, time's up!
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You've got extra minutes. And for that...
Oh my god.
Oh, you heard me?
No. Oh no.
It's Krampus. Your time's up. Your time's up. Let me come to your thing.
Ooh. No, just wait until your turn. Just wait.
Your time's up. Let's have a look at her.
I think it's absolutely beautiful.
Look.
This is what you called a new age.
I feel like this is pick up.
Oh, you're gonna break it. It's a new age 2019 feng shui suite. It has a toilet and actually broken it. It has a toilet, an ensuite bathroom. It has
You have no privacy there. That's what we're gonna say.
a large house. No, listen, this game is no joke. It's no joke, you know.
It's good though.
Look at it. First of all, oh, it's actually falling everywhere. I think it's beautiful, to be honest. Right, I don't even think you're gonna need more sweets because you ain't gonna have the time. The way I'm gonna be shocking your ass. We don't even need more sweets. Okay,
I'm gonna be lit. Yeah.
let's put my one to the side and let's get her.
Alright, we're gonna come back. Let's get mine ready.